06 Scion TC front sway bar endlink install or replacement. Let's get to it. Take it out. There you have it. That's the completed product. Okay, first thing you want to do is take off the wheel. It's a 21 millimeter. Okay, so once the wheel is off, locate your sway bar endlink, which is right here. I got a blown CV axle. Cool. I'll have to replace that. More content. So yeah, anyway, 17 millimeter bolt, another 17 millimeter bolt down here, right here, and then an Allen head. Sometimes you can get it off without using the Allen, so we're going to try that first. If not, then you can see it the other way. To get it off with the Allen, let me just show you guys. So to get it off with the Allen, you take the Allen bolt and get your proper Allen, and it's different per brand, so I'm not really going to give you a size because the one I've already replaced was bigger than the other one. But you get Allen, put it in the hole, and that's going to hold it from spinning, and then you're going to loosen the bolt that way with a regular screw, or sorry, wrench. But I'm going to try and get it out with the impact gun because sometimes you can. So let's see. Nope, cannot. Alright, so like I said, screw, and then that's all you do. Just loosen it that way. Alright, that side's up, and then same thing for the inside, or the bottom one. Sometimes you gotta kind of, let me show you. Let's see, there we go. So just kind of like pry on it so that you can get the Allen in the hole. And then sometimes you just let it rest there.
"2,000 years later."
Alright, that thing really fought me. So this is the old one. It's yeah, it's bent. See how I've got a bend here. Here's the new one. Like I was saying, the differences depending on the brand. Alright, let's get you the sun over here. Alright, so you see with this one here, it's got a little nut head on it so that you can actually hold it with a wrench instead of having to use the Allen in the front. If you want to use the Allen, you can, but it makes it easier using a socket. This one does not have that nut head. It just has the Allen in the front. So yeah, after you get the old one out, the new one should go in easy. So this way here like this. Go ahead and line them up, in holes, and then just tighten the nuts down. Like I said, you can either hold the screw with the Allen, or you can use a thin wrench. I'm just going to try and use the Allen again. I've done it on the other side already. So the top one, tighten it down like that. Bottom one, these are lock nuts. So I'm just going to use the Allen head, tighten it down, and call it a day. Try and cheat. All right. There you have it. I got these from Rock Auto. I don't know how long or good they're gonna be. If you guys want, that's the part number. I don't know if you can read that or not. It is BARTSP03FRL07J20. Like I said, 2006 TC, first gen. But yeah, so that's that. Hopefully it'll last. If not, it wasn't the cheapest, but it wasn't the most expensive either. So yeah, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. For those wanting to delve full content, it is coming, I promise. I'm collecting parts, like I showed in the last video. I got parts. I'm just waiting to show you guys. I picked this thing up the other day. Absolutely love it. I might do a review on that too. We'll see. Yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more TC content. This is a wheel spacer. Let me know. Let me know what you want to see. I'll see if I can do it. Obviously, there's going to be CV axles coming soon because that's leaking everywhere. But yeah, just let me know. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Machine.